Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 92 Jeep Wrangler Sahara, and this is by Hot Wheels from their premium series and from their pop culture series. And this one is specifically coming from the Jurassic Park movie series. And I bought this for 549, which is the MRP, not a penny more than that. So don't buy it for more than MRP. Not only this, any Hot Wheels in general. Okay, so let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Okay, so one thing I want to see, the reason I'm buying this specific castings are like, just not because I like those, because these are some of the memories I have. Because this is I think The Last World is the first movie in this series, if I'm not wrong. I don't remember it now. So that was the very first movie that was the very first and last movie I went with my parents. So when I was a kid, I think during 1998, 99, around that time, if I'm not wrong. So I immediately got hooked onto Hollywood movies after I watched that movie because it was so beautiful to watch. So yeah, so just to remember that I actually bought this. That's a main thing. That's an important thing. Main reason I can say. Okay, let me just put this aside. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So I think I do have this casting by Matchbox as well, but that was from the 199 series, which they launched during 2023. I didn't unbox it yet. I didn't even unbox any of the Jurassic Park series, if I'm not wrong. So okay, let's talk about this casting first. Okay, the paint job looks good. Okay, I don't know if it is paint bubble or it is supposed to look like that. You can see here. You can see the light reflection here, which is a bit different around these points, but it is equally spaced out. So I'm just thinking that it is supposed to be like that. So I mean, this graphics could have been a little bit clear because it looks more pixelated, which is not good. And you can see. Let me just focus. Okay. So it has headlight details. Again, nothing here is acrylic or anything. Everything is just painted on. And this is why I don't like Hot Wheels Premium. So it's just block of metal just painted on. Maybe one or two casting looks really nice, like the Chevy Corvette we unboxed some time back. And there is one Nissan Nismo. So those kind of castings are good. It had acrylic headlights and all, but rest everything it's not. Okay. So here let's see. Okay, so this piece here, this is actually plastic, and body is fully made of metal. This particular tire here, this is made of plastic, and the chassis is fully metal. I really like this matted out chassis compared to the chromed out version of even the tour bus which we unboxed. This one looks really cool instead of that one, and the tires are rubber. It does roll, it is very loose. Let's see how it rolls. And so it doesn't have much of a chassis detailing here, but it looks good, that I can say. I don't know whether we can remove this. No. Okay, this is fully fixed in one place, along with the interior here. The interior looks okay. So this pieces here, okay, this gray one is metal, but rest everything is plastic here. So you can see the tail light details here, that is also like painted. Okay, let's weigh this casting. Okay, 54 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test. I don't know if it will roll here. Okay, that does roll surprisingly well. It has a little bit of wheel wobble on the rear wheel, but it rolls good considering this has rubber wheels and all. It has the rear view mirrors here. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.